very good morning and very warm welcome to the Brahan Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education Department. Today we are going to learn your mathematics topics. The name of the topic is pictographs, and in that topic, subtopic is there pictorial representation of numerical data. I would like to introduce myself, Yogesh Kore from Dharavi Transit Camp English School number 1, Administrative Officer Mr. Snehlata Dumbare ma'am, Nodal Bit Officer Shri, School HM Ujwala Konda ma'am, our Nodal HM Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul ma'am, and our CNO Mr. Ratilal Burungule sir. And today we will start the session, our math session with very good thought.
Public key. Quality.
Yes. Honesty is the best policy. Do you know the meaning of honesty is the best policy? What do you mean by honesty is the best policy?
सर सच्ची हमारा वो है.
Yes, okay. So this is our today's good thought, and we will start the session, our mathematics session with our good thought. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy. It means that being honest and true all through the life, even in bad situation, is considered as a honesty is the best policy. And according to this saying, one should be loyal and tell the truth always in his or her life while answering to any questions. Honesty is like a good weapons in the life which benefit us through many advantages, and it can be developed naturally without any cost. So, an honest person shows good behavior, always follow the rules and regulations, maintain discipline, and speak the truth, and he is a punctual. So, we should be honest in our family, in our school, or in our societies. So, try to be honest in everything. Okay. So, honesty has a very importance in our life, in our daily life also. Yes. Now, I will show you one picture and you have to tell. Yes, it's a ball. Very good. Yes. If I want to convey this message to you that this is a ball, there are various ways to convey this message to you. I will, out of that, I will ask you, this is a ball. I can show the picture of ball. I will show you actual ball, or I can say it's a ball and show it to you, or I can draw a picture of ball and show it to you, or I can write BALL ball and show it to you. So these are the methods, or we can say these are the ways to convey this message to you that this is a ball. Yes, I can show ball, picture of ball. I can draw the BALL. Yes, BALL. Okay. So there are various methods to convey the message that this is a picture of ball. Yes. So
Pictograph.
yes, our today's lesson is today we are going to do the pictographs. Pictographs means first we will go step by step. First, we will see what is mean by pictographs. After that, what are the elements of pictographs, steps of making pictograph, data collections, pick a symbol, assign a key, and finally draw a pictograph. And we will also see the questions based on the pictograph. These are very simple. You can also answer to each and every question. These are very simple ones.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay. For this, first we will take one example. Listen carefully. Yes, listen carefully. If I told one student to find out the favorite color of their classmate, so what he will do? He gives information to me like this. 10 students like yellow color, 5 students like red color, 6 students like green color, and 4 students like blue color, and 5 students like white color. He gives information like that. Okay. The same information can be presented in another form or in various form. Here is a tabular representation, and in the previous one, we have written the information in word form, and same information can be written in digit form. You can see there are two columns. First one is color, and the second one is number of students. The same information is given here, but in different form. You can see yellow, YELLOW. This is written as we can write the spelling of each color. And number of students are 10, red 5, green 6, blue 4, and white 5.
5.
Yes. Now, the same information, you can see the previous image also. Yes, this is the
Yes.
information in word form. This is the information in digital
Number.
form,
Number.
and the same information in pictorial representation. It means the same
Pictorial.
information we can
Description.
represent in the picture form. Yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Don't you think it's quite attractive
No.
as compared to previous one? Yes,
No, sir.
No.
Second girls and red
yes,
color is taken 5 girls and green color taken 6
yes.
girls.
Try to
Blue
mute yourself.
taken 4 girls and yes
Yes,
5 girls.
yes. The same information here. The same information is given in word form. Okay, then in digit form, and the same information is given in the picture form. So it's very easy to understand when you see the picture, and it is also easy to count the pictures. Okay, so instead of a digit, we can show the color, or we can show the picture of students. Here you can see yellow color, and number of students are 10. But in this
Yes.
picture, you can see the actual color yellow color is given, right? The actual
Yes.
red color is given, actual green color is given, actual blue color is given. Like the same way, actual white color is given, and in front of each color, the images, one image is given. Yes, instead of 10, 5, 6, 4, and 5, instead of these numbers, we have put the one picture for the each color. It means it looks like quite attractive, and it's very easy to understand at a glance when we use the pictures. So this information is pictorial representation. Favorite color of classmates. Okay. So with these pictures, we can understand that the same information can be represented in various forms, in word form, in digit form, and finally we have represented say the same information in picture form, because it looks quite attractive, and it is very easy to understand at a glance. Okay. So in the picture form, it is very easy to count the images of the picture. Yes. So after that, we will see the actual definition of pictograph. Picto means picture. Picto means picture, and graph means we have to make now a graph. Okay. A pictograph is a graph that shows a numerical information by using pictures, symbols, or icons to represent data sets. Yes, the same information is given here in the definition form. And the advantage of using a pictograph is that it is very easy to read. Yeah, yes, this is the benefit of this pictograph. It is very easy to read. Yes. First, we will see the definition. After that, we will see the uses of pictograph, and after that, the steps of making pictograph. So, in the second step, we will see the what are the uses of pictograph, why we have to make the pictographs in your mathematics textbook, because here is some information given for you. In real life, pictographs are used by newspapers and magazines to attract the attention of readers. Yes, the pictographs helps us to answer the question on the data at a glance. For example, a figure of each bulb represent 100 bulbs. Yes, these are the uses of pictograms. After that, let's go move to the another slide. What are the elements of pictograph? There is title, first one title, and each and every pictograph should have a title that first it's the data. After that, symbol. Pictographs have symbols or pictures to represent the data. After that, key. This is a very important point. Huh? It plays an important role in the while making the pictographs. Key. Pictographs have a key to show that each symbol or each picture represents. Be careful because not every picture or symbol represent one. And after that, label. Final one is label. Pictographs have labels for their pictures or symbols. Now we will see some question. After reading the question, you will get clearly idea about how to make the pictograph and uh, how to answer to the question based on pictograph. Okay, and these are the steps of making a pictograph. First step. What is the
Symbol.
first step?
That
Collecting the data of category you want to represent.
you
Second
want
step,
to present
pick a
to
symbol or picture
symbol
that
or
accurately
picture that
represent your data. Yes, yes, yes,
represent your data.
yes, yes, yes.
Then
I'm explaining you. Okay, listen carefully. And the third step is assign a key. Yes, I told you just now. Assign a key. Key is very important, and it plays an important role while making pictographs. And the fourth step is draw the pictographs. Yes. Now we have seen what is mean by pictograph, what are the uses of pictograph, what are the elements of pictograph, steps of making pictographs. Now we will see actual example of pictograph, how the pictographs are, and how to answer to the question based on pictograph. So you can see on your screen there is one example of pictographs, and there are some of the questions based on that pictograph. You have to answer it. Okay, let's see.
first have the student,
Study
second
the
have
table and answer the following questions. Yes, there are two columns: grade and number
has
of students.
of
First
student,
grade, second grade, third, fourth, and fifth grade. And number of students
third
are
grade,
given in the form of picture. That is smiley picture. Okay. So question number one. Let's see. And key is given here at the bottom of the pictograph. You can see key. One image of smiley represent 5 children. This is very important. Huh? You have to remember in
third
each
grade,
pictograph. Yes, 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 yes. The key one image represent 5 children. Okay. Okay. Question number one. Which grade has maximum number of students? You
third
have to observe the yes. How many smileys are there? How many pictures of smileys are there in the third
eight
grade?
is 8 miles.
Yes. Eight. And each smiley represent 5 children. Okay. So answer of the first question is third grade. Very good. The same
Third,
pictograph is there. And another question. Which class
third
has the least number of students? Least means minimum. Okay.
grade
Least
2.
means minimum. Second grade. Okay. Which class has the least number of students? Least means minimum. So second in the second grade you can see how many pictures of smileys are there? Only 5. Okay. So question number third answer will be second grade. The same way, which question number let's see question number 4. Which two grades have the same number of students? Yes, can you tell which two grades have the same number of students? Which two grades?
Same number of students.
Yes, in each, how many smileys are there? 6 smileys are there. Observe carefully. Grade
Yes, sir.
first and grade fourth.
Oh,
Yes, yes. Grade first and fourth. 6 smileys are there. So this is the answer for Question number 4. Yes. Now let's see another example.
See
We
one
will
question
see
for
5
that.
to
Sir, वहाँ पे
yes, yes.
question बता दो.
Yes, we will see 5 to 6 question. Okay, like that. So the second question for you. People
How
in the
many
town collected aid for the flood affected.
families
In the first column, aid given, and in the second columm, number of families who helped. And here is scale is given. That is key is given. One
Sir,
picture.
38. 38 is the
Yes, yes,
answer.
yes. Yes, yes, yes. One picture represent 20 families. Okay. One picture of house represent 20 families. So here is question 1. How many families gave medicine as aid? So you have to observe the picture again. Medicine. In the medicine, in the row of medicine, you can see there are how many pictures of house? 3 pictures.
Three.
Yes, and 3 into 20 is equal to 60. Okay, 60 families. 60 families gave medicines as a aid. Okay, let's see another question.
Families.
Yes, yes. Question number 2. What form of help was given by the largest number of families? What
Sir,
form of
food
help
item.
was given by the largest number of families?
Food
Food
item.
item.
Food item.
Very good. Can you tell me how many food item? There are
Four.
4
Four.
pictures. 4 into 20. 4 into 20.
4
80.
18.
Yes. Yes. Very good. 80 families. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Great. Question number 3.
What
What form of aid was given by the least number of families?
of families? Sir, clothes.
Yes. Yes. Very good. Clothes. Because in the clothes row, in the row of clothes, you can see there are only 2 houses, and each house represents 20 families. So,
22.
cloth is the
40.
answer. Yes, cloth is the answer for question number 3rd. Yes, very nice. Let's move to the next question.
Sir,
A kind,
what
yes,
kind
wait.
of fuel is used in most houses? Kerosene.
Yes,
Kerosene.
Kerosene.
kind,
Kerosene.
yes, yes,
Kerosene.
yes, very good. Kind of fuel used in the kitchen in a village, and the pictograph is given here. In the first column, fuel used, and in the second column, number of houses using the fuel. So the one picture of house represent 10
Sir,
houses.
10. 10
Okay,
houses.
so based on these pictographs, you can see what kind of fuel is used in most houses. So in the kerosene row, in the row of kerosene, you can see how many pictures of houses are given.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, 7 and
70.
7.
70
Yes,
is the
very good.
answer.
7 into 10 houses is equal to 70 houses.
70. 70.
Yes, very good. Now you have to read the second question and you have to answer for this question. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
sir.
Just read question number 2
How
in
many
the
houses use gobar gas? 3. 30. 30. 30, sir.
Use
yes,
gobar.
very good.
Says use for gobar gas.
Very good, very good. Let's read another question. Next
Use
question.
How many house use gas?
sir.
Yes. What will be the
40.
answer?
40. 4 house uses gas.
Yes. So 4 into 10, 40 houses. Okay.
40.
Yes, very nice. That's great. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the various types of question based on pictograph. Let's see another question. The same question, but in different form. Yes.
Okay,
Crops
sir.
grown by the farmers in village.
Fuel.
Crops. grown by the farmer in village? There are two columns.
Teacher, sir, vegetables.
Three, three farmer grows jawars, but when you multiply by 10, then 3 tens are 30. 30, sir.
Okay. Uh, Try to mute yourself. Okay. Yes. Question number one. How many farmers grow jawar? So you have to observe the column crop and number of houses using the fuel. Okay. The picture of farmer is given and each picture of farmer means 10 farmer
10.
and this is the key. Okay. Or you can say this is a scale. One picture of farmer represent 10 farmers. So
10.
according to that, how many farmers grow jawar? In
Two,
the row of
20.
jawar?
20.
Sir, three farmers
No.
30.
30 will be answer because three pictures of farmer given. It means 3 into 10 is equal to 30. Okay, 30.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, sir.
Yes. First observe the picture carefully and then
Well done, sir.
okay. Yes.
Which crop is grown by the
Second
least
question.
number of
Which
farms?
crop is
Yes.
grown by the least number of farmers?
And here is a list. Here list means minimum. Huh?
Pulses 20.
Which crop is grown by the least number of farmers? Yes, pulses. Yes.
10
20.
Can you tell? Yes, very good. Because there are only two pictures of farmer and each picture of farmer represent 10. It means 2 into 10 is equal to 20 farmers.
20.
Okay.
2 10 are 20.
Yes, very good. Nice. Let's move to the another question. Question number 3. How many more farmers grow vegetables than pulses? So this is very
20
this is some
more.
confusing. Okay. Yes, very good. While answering to the third question, what you will do? You have to observe the two columns, that is vegetables and pulses. Yes, vegetable and pulses. In pulses, how many farmers are there? 20.
20.
Yes, 2 means 20. Yes. And in vegetable, yes, very good.
40.
So 40 minus 20.
20,
40
sir.
minus 20 is equal to 20. Yes.
Yes.
So 20 will be final answer for the third question, that how many more farmers grow vegetables than pulses. So 20 is the answer for the same question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Nice. Very nice. Very good. Okay. Let's see another question for you. Colors owned by the children to school. Yes. Here is one picture of children, or you can say student. Okay. Or you can refer as a children. One picture of yes. Picture of children means 5 children. Yes. On the
35
basis of this pictograph,
class.
one question is given. How many children? Okay, students, I will explaining. Try to mute yourself. Yes, very good. On the basis of this pictograph, there is one question. How many children are there in the class? So, while answering to this question, you have to count the total number of children's image. Images of
35.
children. How many? Yes, very good. Because how many images are there? 7. Right? Total 7 images are there, and
5
each image of
7s are
children.
35.
Yes, very good. 5 7s are 35 children in the class. Okay. So there are 35 children in the class. This is the answer for the first question. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Let's see second question. Question number 2. How many children wore yellow dress? How many children wore yellow dress? So you have to observe the column
5.
yellow.
5 children
Yes.
are
5 children only.
5
Very
children.
nice. That's great. Because in the yellow, you can see there is only one
Only
picture.
one.
Yes,
But
and
five, it's a
yes,
five.
only
Five.
one picture is there, and each picture represent five children. So our
Five.
answer will be five children.
Five.
Okay, very
Yeah.
good. Let's see another third question. What
Color
color did the greatest number of children wear? What
Red.
color?
Red.
Yes,
15. 15. Red is the
yes.
answer.
Three fives are 15.
15.
So 15 children wear uh, greatest number
The
of the 15 is yes. 15 children wear the red color. Okay, and this is the largest number. Okay. Let's see question number 4. How many children wore red?
15.
15.
Yes, very good. 3 into 5.
5 is
3 fives are
15.
No,
yes. 3
15.
fives are 15. Very good. Yes.
Your voice
Whenever
is
you yes, whenever you answer this question like this, first you have to observe where the which information is given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then key you have to observe the key. The one picture represent how many? Here is for example 5 children or any other information is given. First you have to observe the key. Okay. One picture represent how many? Yes. So these are various examples. We will see another two examples. We will see. Yes.
Okay,
Ways
sir.
of going to school. This is very simple one. So you will get clear idea about. Here is also key is given. One picture means
How
two
many
children.
How
How
many
many
students
students?
use the bus?
Ah,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Six.
yes, very good. Here already the answer is given for you. How
14.
many students use the bus? Just observe the pictograph and tell the answer. And each picture represents two children.
14 is
7.
Yes. 7 to the 14
14.
students. Very good. 1 4. 14 students. This is the answer for the first question.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
That is
sir.
14 students use the bus to go to
Bus.
school.
School.
Yes, to go to school. Okay. Let's see second question. How many
How
students use car?
how many students use the car? First,
Yes.
4. 8.
eight, eight.
8 student. 8
Yes.
student
Because
use the car for going school.
How
yes,
many
very good. Because
use cycle? Sir, 16,
okay, wait.
16
One second,
school.
one second, one second, one second. Because in the car, in the row of car, you can observe there are only 4 pictures. So each picture represents two children. So 4 to the 8. So 8 students in the school use the car to go to school. Okay. So let's see question number third. How many students use cycle? So you have to observe the row of cycle. How many pictures are there?
12. Sir,
Yes,
1,
6
2,
pictures
3,
are there.
4, 5, 6. 12. Sir, 12
Yes,
children use the cycle for going school.
for
yes.
the going to
6
school.
pictures are there, and each picture represent two children. So what you will do? 6 to the 12. Okay. So 12 students use the cycle to go to school. Yes, very
How
good.
the maximum numbers of students come to school? Sir, bus.
Yes,
Bus.
maximum.
Bus is the answer.
Yes,
35.
maximum number of students come to school. How do maximum number of students come to school? The answer for this question will be bus.
Bus.
Can you tell how many?
5 by
How many children are
35.
there?
35.
5.
Yes, very good. 35. How many pictures are there in the bus row?
1, 7.
14.
7.
14.
Yes.
7.
Only 14 students are there who
Sir,
travel through the bus.
32
Or
children on the
only
bus.
14 children are there who use the bus to go to school. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because 7 to the 14. So 14 will be answer for the fourth question. And this is the maximum number of students who are using bus to go to
Bus.
school. Yes. This is Another example for you. Favorite cake. Favorite cake are given.
Many
Number of
students.
students are there, and the name of
Yes.
the cakes are given. That is vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and red
Strawberry,
velvet.
red velvet.
And each picture of cake means 4 children.
Oh,
So
yes.
based on this pictograph, some of the questions are there. So just read the first question. One cake stand for
For,
how many students?
for how many students? Sir? 4 students.
Yes, the answer will be there in the key. You have to
Yes.
whenever you ask, yes, whenever you trying to answer this question, first you have to you have to do, just observe the key
Keys. Yes,
or
to
scale. You can
Yes.
say scale. Yes, scale. So one picture of cake stand for 4 children. The answer is given on your screen.
Yes.
Very good. Based on this picture,
favorite cake.
Which is the most favorite cake? Vanilla is the
yes,
most favorite cake.
vanilla. Okay, vanilla is the most favorite
Most
cake.
favorite cake.
Yes. How many children like vanilla cake? Can you tell
16
how
Sir,
many?
students.
I. Sir,
16,
I.
Yes, but
16
yes, you
students
can tell.
the cake.
Yes, four the 4 into 4 is equal to
16.
16 students
16.
are there who likes vanilla cake. Okay. Let's see
Okay.
question number third. How many children like strawberry cake?
Strawberry
Two.
cake. Sir,
Two.
no, 8. 8 students like strawberry cake. 8.
Yes. This is not two. It's incorrect answer. The 8 is the correct answer. Okay, because two
Yes.
cakes are there, and each cake represent the image of cake represent
Two
four
four guys.
children.
Yes.
So 8 students are there who likes strawberry cake. Very nice. Let's see question number 4. How many children like red velvet cake than chocolate cake? We have to compare red velvet
9.
with the
Red
chocolate.
velvet 9.
16.
Red velvet, 3 cakes are given. It means 3 fours are
9.
12. 3 fours
Yes.
are 12. Yes, don't forget. Don't forget. Key is given. One image of cake represent 4 children. So
4.
first we have to compare red velvet with the chocolate cake. In the red
Okay,
velvet,
sir.
how many children like red
12.
velvet? Yes, 12 children like red velvet cake. And how many children like chocolate cake?
4.
Only 4. Yes, one image is given. One image of cake is given. So only 4 children like chocolate cake.
Chocolate cake.
So 12 minus 4 is
12
equal to
minus 8.
12. Yes, very good. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 children or 8
Yes.
students like
Yeah.
red velvet cake. Okay.
Which
Yes.
is the
Let's see the
least?
second question. Which is the least favorite cake? Least means
Strawberry
minimum, huh?
chocolate.
Yes, very good. Very nice.
Chocolate is the least favorite cake.
Yes, this word least means minimum, huh? Minimum.
Yes.
Because chocolate cake is given.
4.
And how many
4.
children like chocolate cake? Only
4.
4 children like chocolate cake because only one image of cake is given. That means one picture of image cake represent 4 children. So only 4 children like chocolate cake.
Okay, sir.
Let's see the final question on this pictograph. What is
What?
the total number of children?
40.
What is the total number of children? All students must understand this question. What is the total number of children?
4.
What
1, 2,
you will
3.
do to find out the answer for the same question? First, you will count how many images are the images of
Yes.
cakes are given in the pictograph. Vanilla 4, chocolate 1, strawberry 2, and
Yes.
red velvet 3. So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10
10.
images of cakes are given. Right? 10 images of cakes are given, and each image of cake represent 4 children. So 4 into 10. Okay. 4 into
40.
10,
14.
40. So what is the total number of children in this pictograph? 40 children are
40.
there in this pictograph. Some like vanilla cake, some of the like chocolate cake, some of the like strawberry, and some of the likes red velvet cake. Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, very good. This is very simple. Question is there. Just now we have seen various example based on the pictograph. There are and various questions are there on the basis of pictograph. This is very simple one. Yes. In this, while answering to such questions, you have to observe the first key or scale, that one picture represent how many. This is very important one. Yes, this is the review of example that we have learned just now. And such examples were asked in the exam also. Okay. So this is all about the pictograph and the question based on these pictograph. But in exam, they will ask to draw a pictograph. Okay. Sometimes the examiner gives question like this to draw a pictograph. Some information is given, and with the help of that information, we have to make a pictograph. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here is one example from your textbook. Yes. Information collected from 150 students about their parents' occupations is given below. Make a pictograph based on it. Yes. Till now we have seen what we have seen. We have seen various example of pictograph and question based on that pictograph. This is very simple one. But now you have to make a pictograph. Yes, you can use the pictures according to example. So here is one example is given from your textbook, mathematics textbook. First column is the given occupation of students' parent, and the second column is given number of students. And first occupation is farming. Second occupation is private job. Third occupation is government job, and fourth occupation is other. Yes, and number of
Yes.
students: farming 60, private job 20, government
20,
job 30, and
30,
other
40.
40.
40.
Yes. In such example, we have to decide a scale. Okay,
Yeah.
that one picture represent how many. So what will you do? We have to make the pictograph with this information. For
Yes,
that,
sir.
yes, I have
1
given you
means
columns.
10.
The same, yes, same columns are. We have to make the same column. First one, occupation of students' parents, and the second column is number of students. But we have to in digit. Yes, in digit form, information is given. We have to write it in picture form. So we have to make a scale. One picture represent how many?
10. 10, sir.
Yes, very good. One picture. Here I have
Represent
written here one picture of smiley is equal to 10. Okay, one picture is equal to 10. So farming. First we will see the what is the occupation? Farming. So
Yes.
according to example, in the farming, number of students are there 60.
60.
So in the picture form, we have to show 60 students. So
Yes.
how many pictures we have to put?
6.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5, and
5,
6.
6.
Yes, because 6 into 10 is equal to,
260. 6 tens are
yes,
60.
6 tens are 60.
60.
So farming occupation 60
is
students are there.
60.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. After that, private job. How many students are there? Private job 20. Okay.
20.
So for 20, we will use only two pictures
Two.
of smiley. Yes,
Yes.
because 2 into
10
10 is equal to
20.
20. Okay, very good. 20 because here 20 is given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. After that, government job. Government job. How many students are there? 30.
30.
Their parents' occupation is given and number of students are given. Government job, there are
30.
30 students whose parents' occupation is government job.
Government
30.
job.
So how will you show? How will you show it?
Three
Government job?
student. 3 student.
Yes, very good. Because
3.
1, 2, and this 3.
3.
Because 3 into
10
10
is
is equal to
30.
30.
3 tens are 30.
3 tens are 30. Very simple one. Because in
Yes,
the
sir.
government column, number of students are there. 30 students are there whose parents' occupation is government job.
Government job.
So we will show like this.
Yes,
Yes, very
sir.
good. After that, other. In other, there are 40 students whose parents'
40.
occupation is other.
Other.
Okay.
Other
How
job.
will you show it? How many pictures you will show?
4 student.
Yes, very good.
4
1.
x 10.
Yes, very good. Because 1, 2, 3,
1,
and
2,
this is
3,
4.
4.
Yes.
4 x 10.
4 into 10
10
is
is
equal
equals
to
to 40.
40. Yes, very good. Because here other
4.
occupation is 40 students
40.
whose parents'
Other.
occupation is other. Very good, very
Other.
nice.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
very good. So this is the example that
Okay, sir.
yes, we have to some information is given in the example, and with the help of that information, we have to make the pictograph. Okay, so
Okay,
first you
sir.
have to make a scale for that pictograph.
Yes.
Okay.
Like this.
Yes, yes, like this. So, like the same way or in this way, today we have learned what is mean by pictograph, what are the
Yes.
elements of pictograph, what are the
Yes.
steps of making pictograph, that is data collection, pick a symbol, assign a key, and finally draw a pictograph. And we have also seen various examples of pictograph and the questions based on that pictograph. Very easy one. And finally, this is we have seen or we have learned how to make the pictograph with the uh, given information. Okay.
Okay,
So I
sir.
hope you will get clear idea about how to make pictograph. Okay, and how to answer
Yes,
the
sir.
question based on pictographs. Very nice. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now it's time to homework. Yes. Yes. Here is one example for you, or you may take a screenshot, or you can see in your mathematics textbook in the practice set 52. Okay. Second
Okay,
example,
sir.
information about various types of vehicle in Vadgaon is given below and make a pictograph for these data. And some data is given, types of vehicle and number. These two columns are given, bicycle, automatic, two-wheelers, four-wheelers, car, jeep, heavy vehicle like truck, bus and tractors.
Sir.
And in the second column, numbers are given and you have to make the pictograph using these information. And the same information or same example you can see in your mathematics textbook in practice set 52. So make a
Okay, sir.
pictograph using this information. Okay, very good. So thank you
Okay.
everyone for attending the maths Zoom session. Okay. So
Thank
thank
you,
you everyone.
sir.